quickly turned to solitary flame. You don't see the yearning in my eyes, blind to the love that within me lies. I built you a pedestal in my heart's sacred hall, but to you I'm just a shadow, unnoticed, small. Each laugh, each touch, not meant for me, a cruel reminder of what will never be. Unrequited, the echo of my soul's plea. Unrequited, like a lock without a key. I love you in silence with every beat, a symphony unheard, bittersweet. I see you with her, a picture-perfect scene, part of your world where I've never been. My heart aches with a quiet desperation in silence of my one-sided conversation. I've rehearsed confessions, words left unsaid, a script of love that plays in my head. But fear holds my tongue, I retreat, I hide in the safety of shadows. My fear was above. Another time, my love won't be a mountain I can't climb. Here now, it's a weight I bear, a secret garden of my solitary care. I'll smile and I'll play my part, while unrequited love tears at my heart. A silent actor on life's stage, trapped in my mind's unbreakable cage. I'll cherish you from afar, a bittersweet fate in the book of my life, a chapter I'll never narrate. Unrequited, my love's silent creed, a hidden rose that no one will ever read.